On a quiet, golden morning, little Monki Chu sat watching the world wake up. The trees whispered gently above him, and something curious began to fall from the sky. But these weren't just falling seeds. Nearby, a tiny family was waiting, hungry and hoping. Up he climbed, careful, steady, carrying hope. And when he reached them, Monki Chu shared everything he had, turning falling seeds into a moment of kindness.
Goodbye, little friends.
As the sun drifted by, Monki Chu rested, knowing that even the smallest hands can make the biggest difference.